Today, we are going to be checking out the Johnny Depp Amber Heard corn case. Oh my God, bro. I'm so stupid. All right, we're going to be checking out their court case, though. We're going to be looking at some of the funny moments and just trying to have a good time. Obviously, the allegations are kind of sad and things are pretty intense. I've been watching a lot of it. If you guys want to see me do a video just reacting to the whole court case and like some of the major facts, I can definitely do that as well. So drop a like on this video if you do want to see videos like that.
Heard say get off me, right?
No, I did not. Hitting the wall hard, based on the accusations that she brought. I'm sorry, I was talking. Is that all right?
You would answer my question. We'll take a look at the next exhibit. Thank you.
As long as you're happy, sir.
Yo, he's getting a little spicy there, Johnny.
Hold on, Mr. Depp.
All right. Yes, I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
Sorry.
We can. Did I read that right?
Yes, Mr. Rottenborn.
You're complaining about her ambition in this text to her, to Dr. Kipper, correct?
I'm realizing that her ambition is far stronger than her supposed feelings for me, yes. It doesn't mean that I actually literally cut my finger off after, at the age of 12, finding the only thing that gave me...
Yo, he really is. He's a pretty smart guy. He's kind of strange to me a little bit. Like, I feel like Johnny Depp is like a bit of a like strange character, but he is super smart and very good at arguing, I would say.
Very unlikely. Why didn't I start lopping off digits when I was 13 then?
Just the way it was worded. Now, Miss Heard what?
Objection.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm getting at.
When your nerves are pushed...
Sir,
Can we approach, Your Honor?
Okay.
Pardon?
You to stop using drugs, but
She had
let's take a
used
look at
the
what you
same-
say in
She had
this
used
text.
that term before.
In this text, Mr. Depp, you say there were numerous negative news stories about you. You'd agree with that, correct?
Also, I gotta double check, but I believe we're on like day 9 or 10 at this point.
All right. I'll sustain it to compound.
He's like losing it a little bit.
May 7th, 2016. It's entitled Johnny Depp, Friends and Family Seriously Concerned About Him. Here's Why.
Yes.
Correct.
How did they know?
The next article.
Okay, so yeah, so now her lawyer is basically like reading articles, which as we know, articles are not based on fact, but he's reading the titles of articles, which are strictly made for clickbait, just like YouTube titles. He's like essentially reading YouTube titles as if they're like important evidence. I can't believe they did this.
From May 1st.
It just seems so stupid. He's like,
Miss Heard filed says Johnny Depp reportedly drank heavily and was constantly
reportedly.
That right.
You did, reportedly.
The next article
These are
from
drugs, sir.
2017. Mr.
This
Depp,
is a pathetic attempt.
Mr. Depp, please just respond to the question that I'm asking you.
What's your
The next question,
Mr. Rottenborn?
the next document is entitled Johnny Depp's Financial Woes Might Sink the Next
Woes.
Pirates of the Caribbean. Did I read that right?
You did. I don't know.
The
how
next
my
article,
financial woes would do
May
that.
25th, 2007.
I don't know how they could do that.
Power looks as wobbly as Jack Sparrow on a plank. Did I read that right?
You read that very, very well.
The next one, Hollywood Reporter, May 27th, 2000.
bro, this man is, I don't know.
This is hearsay.
June
is it not?
21st, 2018,
word.
6 months before the Inside the Trials of Johnny Depp. Did I read that right?
You did. You should read the article. It's
And the
wonderful.
last one,
he's laughing, bro. He's like, I can't do this.
reveals why Hollywood's reeling over what's being called Johnny Depp's career note. Did I read that correctly?
You did. Who's Alison Boshoff and how does she know?
Mr. Depp, you can't name
Oh, it
a
won't
single
answer,
actress.
Sean Bailey, who was the number 3.
Objection, hearsay.
I don't know yet. I'll overrule it at this point.
Thank you.
May I continue, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Just basically said in the...
Objection, hearsay.
Your
What
Honor,
Sean Bailey said.
this is about him
It's in
learning about this.
article.
It's not for the truth.
It is the truth. She's
Do
asking.
you want to approach?
Mr.
All right.
Could you please explain to the jury who Sean Bailey is? I think you were starting to.
Yes, I'll try again. Sean Bailey was quoted as saying that...
Objection, hearsay.
Mr. Depp, where was Sean Bailey quoted, without getting into what he was quoted as saying?
I don't know.
This man is eager, bruh.
Objection, lack of foundation.
I'll overrule the objection. Go ahead.
Mr. Depp,
Had been approached to take part in writing
Objection,
Pirate
hearsay.
6.
last week Mr. Rottenborn asked you about...
This man does not want him to say anything, huh?
Come back to the Pirates franchise for $300 million and 1 million alpacas. Do you remember that?
I do.
What? Do you recall when specifically you made that statement about the $300 million and the 100 alpacas?
Objection, asked and answered.
Overruled on that.
Mr. Depp,
Wow.
do you recognize this document?
As soon as my eyes go on, I hopefully will. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I'm so
He just burped.
pathetic when it comes to knowing what movies I've done. I'm sorry. I just, I don't watch them. I feel better not watching them. I couldn't, what was the question again?
How many...
I have order in the court, or I will have you removed. Understood?
How would you describe Mr. Bettany's relationship with Miss Heard while you and Miss Heard were together?
Abominable.
Mr. Depp, I believe this is another text message with Mr. Bettany.
She
that
like
was
can't.
shown on your...
She can't look at anything the whole court case. I feel like she was like super quiet the whole time.
And when he came home,
I don't think
from
that
school-
she's had to be on the stand a single time either, which I'm not sure why, but
We can move on.
Okay.
Mr. Depp, what if any portion of this email exchange is literally true?
objection.
We're all set to leave here at approximately 1:30 p.m. Hope you rested well. I believe there's also a napkin down there where
Objection,
someone
Your Honor, lack
what?
of foundation. He's referring to exhibits that aren't in evidence.
All right.
I have no idea whether they even exist.
I'll sustain the objection now. Next question.
You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Oh, this is when he objects himself.
Told me he sustained an injury on one of his
Well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
Next question.
okay. You said he sustained an injury to his finger.
One of his
Well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh, okay. You said he sustained an injury.
All right, so that is so far kind of the court case, man. A lot of like just really boring parts, and then just a few parts of just non-stop confusion. But I guess that's kind of how it is everywhere. I mean, they've been at this for quite some time at this point, so we'll see what happens. Let me know, who do you guys think is in the right? Who do you guys think is in the wrong? I'm interested to see down in the comments. I'm not gonna give my opinion. Don't think it really matters, but if I had to go, I think I might be leaning a little bit more towards Johnny Depp.